What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad from Dad's Simply Cooking, and I'm here with Axel. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Welcome to Dad's Simply Cooking.
Welcome to Dad's Simply Cooking.
So today, you want to tell them what we did today?
We get on water slide.
We went on a water slide
Yeah.
at Grandma and Grandpa's. Was it a lot of fun?
Yeah, and we're bigger.
Bigger?
Yeah.
Wow.
And you're not able to get up there because they're far away.
Oh. Yeah. Did you have a lot of fun with it?
Yeah.
It was a lot of fun, huh?
Yeah.
So what are we making today? What is it? Apple pie. It's over here.
Like this.
So we're going to make an apple pie dump cake. That's our goal. So come along with us while we make a apple dump cake. It's one of those things that's great for that backyard barbecue. Everybody's going to love. Everybody's going to have a good time. Serve it with some vanilla ice cream.
And we got soda.
Oh, we did get some soda from Grandma's house.
Yeah, we did. And it got blueberry on it.
It's great. It's great. All right, before we start, let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350. Then what we're going to do is we have apple pie can filling. So we're using 2 cans of apple pie filling.
Yeah.
A box of cake mix. I went with the super moist spice cake mix.
Where you got that?
The grocery store.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. So let's get into it. We're gonna open our can. What?
I want to put that in.
All right, just dump it in. We might have to spoon it out.
Yeah, spoon it out.
Spoon it out. Stand in the chair.
Oh, it's getting it. Oh, now water.
They smell good, huh?
Oh yeah. I think we might near the apple pie.
Mm-hmm.
It will like so real good. Hey, now it's my turn.
All right.
Ooh.
Got it?
Yeah, it's okay. It already gone.
I know that. I'm just saying for future reference.
Now what are we gonna put now?
All right. So next, you can take whatever kind of cake mix you want. I chose to use this because a spice cake sounds like it'd be good with apples. So why not?
Hey, is that flour?
It's like flour. It's cake mix. So all I'm going to simply do, it's a dump cake.
Hey, I can't do it.
Just guide it like that.
We just done. Let me.
We're almost done, baby.
Yeah.
So the only thing left with this dump cake we have to do is put the butter on it and put it in the oven.
Hey, there's nothing.
Put it right here. So simple pie filling with a cake and butter. It's a dump cake, y'all. It doesn't have to be complicated. A delicious dessert. You can see the apples, the cake. This is going to be good.
Yeah.
4th of July.
Happy 4th.
Yeah, happy 4th of July. 4th of July was yesterday of the filming of this video. I do want to talk about something fun and very exciting. Hopefully, the picture looks good. The lighting looks good. Hopefully, on the other camera, the lighting looks good. I do have new lighting setups that I'm very excited about. But we've been at my mother's house. If you guys don't know, she also does YouTube as well. I do have her link below, as well as my wife's YouTube channel link below as well. But we've been hanging out with the kiddos, going up and down this giant water slide all day. Jeri went up and down the water slide. I went up and down the water slide. Aspen went down at once. And that was it. Axel probably did at least 7 miles going up and down. All right, so y'all, for some reason, my mic died on me. I'm not entirely sure what happened. So here we are with a voiceover. Sorry about that. It turned out really good. Look at that. It's cooked perfectly. The spice cake, everything about it with those apples just turned out. Contemplating my decision at this point. Yep, did good job. Very happy with myself. 10 out of 10. This is almost, if not better, than the blueberry cobbler I made. This, I guess, is like an apple cobbler. You look at it that way. And it was really good. I really enjoyed it. I tried it with ice cream, and that was a mistake because it made it even better. So, y'all, I appreciate y'all being here, watching this video, being here with me. Over 400 subscribers, y'all. I greatly appreciate it. I love y'all. Thank you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Going, Axel? Oh my God.